of banks.
We oppose, we oppose.
Privatization of banks.
We oppose, we oppose.
Privatization of banks.
We oppose, we oppose.
Privatization of banks.
We oppose, we oppose.
United Forum of Bank Unions.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
United Forum of Bank Unions.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
United Forum of Bank Unions.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
Due to this pandemic, COVID-19, we thought that we would restrict only the cream of the leaders here this morning. Comrades, we are not fighting for any monetary gains. This is not fight of the bank employees only. It's the fight of the general public. The move by the present union government to privatize the public sector banks, it's going to be a really worry for everyone. And today and tomorrow, all the bank employees are on strike all over the country. And after today and tomorrow, UFBU is going to meet again to chalk out the further program.
This privatization will make us, Francis has already told you that it will worry to all the public and also to the staff of the bank, public sector banks. If public sector banks privatize, the customer will be in trouble. For example, for opening the saving bank account, they will ask for a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 for keeping your account live. Say current account, say they will tell you that 25,000 you have to keep as a minimum balance.
The finance minister announced that 2 nationalized banks would be privatized. Not only that, the government said that insurance companies would be privatized. Then the government is talking of selling all government land, privatizing all public sector units, and government is also saying that government has no role to play in business. Their role is only to govern. If everything is sold, if all government assets, all banks, all insurance companies, all PSUs are sold, what will be left to the next generation? The next generation would be paupers. If everything is handed over to the private organizations, job security that we enjoy in nationalized banks will not be there. Pension will not be there. Whatever wages and service conditions we have will not be there. So United Forum of Bank Unions has given a call for this strike on 15th and 16th, that is today and tomorrow, to oppose privatization of nationalized banks.